Hi and welcome back to my class. Today we would try out some examples for our rule number 2. The rule number 2 tells us that we add es to the nouns that end with s, ss, sh, ch, tch, ox. Let us try out some examples. This is for rule number 2. Okay, so these all are singular nouns because they all are telling us about one, and these are plural. We have to make the plural forms. So these will be given to you and you have to make out these all plural forms. And how? I am telling you. Dress, dress, dress is ending with double s, dress. Okay, and we know that we add es to the words ending with ss. We have to add es, dress, dresses. Bus, bus, the last letter is s, so we have to add es, bus. Dish, dish, the last letters are sh, and we know that we have to add es because of our rule number 2. Dishes. Fox, fox, x, the last letter is x, so we have to add es, foxes. But students, here we can give some exceptional case, some other words that do not follow this rule. Ox, ox, last letter is x, but we cannot add es to ox. Oxes, oxes, no, we cannot add. Ox, oxen. And about ox we would understand later. Okay, tomato, tomato, tomato is ending with o in the last, and we know that when there is o in the last we have to add es. Tomatoes, tomatoes. Watch, watch, watch is ending with tch or ch. Okay, so we have to add es at the last. watches, watches. Bench, bunch, 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 ending with ch. So bunches, bunches. Box, box is ending with the letter x, and our rule tells us that we have to add es at the last. Box, boxes. The same is with buffalo and mangoes because the last letter is o. So our rule number 2 is we add es at the last of our nouns when the singular noun is ending with ss, s, sh, x, o, tch, ch. Okay, when there are these type of letters at the ending of our nouns, we would add es to show their plural form. Now we would try to understand our rule number 3, and we also know it. What was that? Rule number 3 is we add ves to the nouns that end with f or fe. Number 3 rule. This chart is for number 3 rule. Wolf, wolf, is the last letter is f, wolf. So we would drop f, and we would write ves in place of f, wolves, as per our rule, because the rule tells us when there is f at the last or fe at the last, we would add ves to show the plural form. Wolf, wolves. Knife, knife, last letters are fe. Same, we have to add ves, knives. Life, life, last letters are fe. So we would add ves, lives. And the other examples are also same because they all have f at the last or FE at the last. And our rule tells us that when there is F or FE at the last of our nouns, we would add VES at the last. But we will not write F or FE here. Have I written WOLFVES? No. We have to write WOLVES. We cannot write F or FE again here. Okay? Some more examples are here. Calf, calves, life, lives, shelf, shelves, yourself, yourselves, ourself, ourselves, themselves, themselves, wolf, wolves. Because these all nouns are ending with F or FE at the last. So we have added VES in place of F or FE. But mind it, in the plural forms we cannot write F or FE. We cannot write. We have to write only VES at the last. Some words ending with F or FE take S to become plural. So confusing. Here are some words also that do not take up this rule. We cannot add VES. And the words are roof, singular, plural. Roof, ROOF, roof. And roofs, we have added S. Chief, chiefs, S only. Proof, proofs. Giraffe, giraffes. Chef, chefs. Here you can see the last letter is also F or FE. But we have not added VES. So these are some other words that do not take up this rule number 3. So these all words you need to memorize, these all words. They are some other exceptional cases that do not follow rule number 3. They do not follow this rule, but you have to learn it. You have to learn all of them. Roof, roofs, not ROOVES. We cannot add VES here. That will be wrong. You have to write ROOFS only. In this way you need to memorize these all. They all are not following our rule number 3 because they are some other words that do not follow our rule number 3. So students, today we have known about our rule number 2 and 3, and later on I will discuss our rule number 4 and 1 to all of you. Till then, stay home and learn whatever is being provided by me. Thank you.